Hey lovies, today's vlog is about a day out in Malleshwaram. Malleshwaram is one of the oldest residential area and it is situated in northwestern Bengaluru. It is a centuries old locality and famous for its street shopping, flower markets, ancient temples and rustic eateries. The name is derived from 17th century Kadu Malleshwara temple which is dedicated to Lord Shiva.
Hey guys, welcome back. So here I am in Malleshwaram today and here's Pawan. You know him from Cubbon Park, and today we are meeting another friend of ours. She will take us around. She lives in Malleshwaram, so he and she, they know the locality and I don't know anything. I am very much new to this area. So what do we do?
Yes, we have a lot of places, Drums. So I think today I'm breaking your diet. So you will not have any more diets today.
I'm very happy to do that.
We are in main part of the Bangalore where the people here loves the food,
loves food.
love the street food. So probably you'll have definitely a very nice day.
Cheat day today, huh?
Cheat day.
Awesome.
And you'll get to eat
I'm very
nice
happy.
eateries.
Awesome. So let's catch up with the other friend. I think she's right here. So let's go. Hey, so finally Sahana is here. Hey guys, she's my friend Sahana. Sahana will tell what to do and from where to start. So what should we do, Sahana, first?
Okay, let me tell you. Our first location is Eat Raja. It is India's first zero waste juice bar. And you will find really tasty juices and you'll really love it, and you should definitely visit there. And starting from there, we will go to a flower market that is in 13th Cross Malleshwaram, and it is definitely a sight to your eyes. You must visit irrespective of festival seasons. Okay, from there we're going to CTR, a famous dosa point in Malleshwaram, which is running from decades and a must-try dosa place. And not to forget a filter coffee.
Wow, awesome.
Yeah. And from there we're going to go to a place called it's called Dakshinamukha Nandi Tirtha Temple, which is again has a history of 100 years. And it has a lake in between, and it's a beautiful place, a very peaceful place, and we are going to show you everything that's going to be on our list today for you guys.
Awesome, let's go.
Guys, an exclusive video on Eat Raja is coming up very soon. As we couldn't meet the owner today, so we just had guava chili shots and moved to our next destination.
Cheers. So now open this. Wow. Now just drink up, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really nice.
See, you can eat this also. This will be so much fun.
Yes. Don't eat now. You have another filling.
Oh, how good it is now. You can drink and eat your glass also. So good. Double filling in 50 bucks?
Yes.
Yay.
We finished the yummy guava shots, and now we are eating guavas. So you can see this is absolutely zero waste.
Now let's head towards the flower market. It is truly a sight to your eyes with so many colorful varieties of flowers.
These are all Mallige Bindu that you use it for your hair accessories. There is so many flowers for hair. And if you see, these are the original Mallige haras, and they are not real Malliges, and they don't have any fragrance, but this has fragrance. So this one has fragrance, yeah, and that one does not have fragrance.
This is the banana leaf for weddings, right? अच्छा शादी का पूरा setup है like.
Now we are quickly rushing towards CTR as we are already late, and by the time we'll reach there, the queues will start building up. So let's quickly rush to Central Tiffin Room. And we are exploring Malleshwaram by foot as all these places are nearby, and passing through these streets and local market is very exciting. We have just reached CTR, and as you can see the other side, so many people are standing in the queue because we got late and restaurant actually starts at 4 p.m. and now it's around 5:30, and now we also have to stand in queue and wait for our turn. Look at the queue, man, it started building up so quickly, but you know that's how famous CTR is. People come here from all around to try out their varieties of dosas, and especially benne dosa, which is actually dosa made in butter. Central Tiffin Room is a 1952 established dosa house, and it is very famous for its quality of food and economic pricing. CTR is open all 7 days from morning 7 to 12:30 p.m. and then in evening from 4 to 9:30 p.m. and they are always crowded, but their service is very quick. We got settled in and we were just chit chatting and decided to go ahead with the very famous benne dosa. So we ordered few masala butter dosa and Mangalore bhaji, which is also known as goli bhaji, with some chochobat and filter coffee. I tried this goli bhaji for the first time. I think it's made of some banana pulp. This was one of the best item I tried. It was so delicious, and especially with the mint chutney, it was yum. Chocho bath, which is a combination of a sweet dish called kesari bath and upma. It is one of my favorite dish ever since I had moved to South India. So no matter what, I always try that, and I can't do without coffee. So filter coffee is a must try, and this filter coffee, it took away all of our tiredness. It was so good. We also went into the kitchen so that we can shoot how they make dosas, but it was very crowded day since it was Saturday, so neither they had time, and we were also getting late for our temple visit. So we started from CTR and we passed through 8th Cross Market, and this market was so well lit and beautifully decorated that it was giving a nice vacation vibe. I really enjoyed passing through these street markets. So we passed through the 8th Cross Street Market and reached Dakshinamukhi Nandi Tirtha Temple. This street is filled with grand ancient temples, and it is known as Second Temple Street. It was a very crowded day as it was the last day of Kartik Maas, but we had peaceful darshan at Nandi temple, and this temple is around 400 years old, and there is a continuous stream of water that flows out of Nandi's mouth and falls onto the Shivalinga, which flows into the Kalyani, which is in the middle of the temple, and this water is considered as holy water. In our agenda today, we only had planned to visit Nandi temple, but we were so stunned by seeing all the beautiful grand temples around, so we decided to visit Gangama and Lakshmi Narsimha temples as well. Still, we couldn't go to Kadu Malleshwara temple due to the rush, but if you are visiting Bangalore or you are in and around Malleshwaram, do not forget to pay a visit to these beautiful temples, and you will be stunned seeing such grand structure in middle of the city. After all the roaming and walking around, we were so hungry and tired, so we decided to visit Asha Sweets. This is one shop which serves delicacies from around the country, so we went there and decided to try Bengali sweet Rasgulla, which is apparently dipped in honey, not in sugar, and it was yum. Then we tried some North Indian snacks, kachori, samosas with yummy badam milk, and everything was so delicious and mouth-watering.
Samosa seem to be like next level.
Sahana is still getting few more items. Now what is that you got, Sana?
This is garma garma badam milk.
Badam milk, awesome. Looks yummy. So this is garma garam badam milk.
Garma garam. This is garma garam.
This is garma garam only, na?
हाँ ठीक है खा लेगा
And jaggery वाले रसगुल्ले.
अमन, wait, अभी जैसा तुमने बोला ना,
Samosa is so good. You want to have kachori?
ना
You will have to buy.
Go ahead and do it. Happy?
अभी खा ले.
This is another shop of Asha Sweets. We came here because we wanted to have tea, and they don't serve tea there, and by this time we were so full that we thought let's have a cup of chai and sit for a while and chit chat. Yay guys, that chai was actually the end of the day for us, but Pawan wanted us to try some idli from Sri Sai Dosa Center, so we came here, shared one idli and called it a day. We had an amazing day. These two champions made the day very beautiful, and Sahana used to tell us to come to Malleshwaram. We underestimated, I guess. We never came to this side.
Yeah.
But today we had amazing fun. Such a lovely day it was. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
And we definitely call it a day.
Yay! Time to say bye-bye.
Bye.